Welcome back to the Productivity Podcast, where I give you a daily productivity tip so you can get the most out of your time, your talent, and your ideas. I'm your host, Brandon White. Here we go. Ever ask an AI the same question for the third time this week? Or find yourself copying and pasting the same instructions over and over? Here's the thing. Using AI assistants without context is like hiring an expert consultant who has amnesia every morning. They're brilliant, sure, but you waste half of your time getting them back up to speed. Today, we'll explain what context features are in Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, and Grok, show you why they're game changers, review research proving context-aware AI is dramatically more effective for you, then give you 5 practical ways to start using them right after listening to this episode. Let's start with the basics. Think of these features as giving your AI assistant a dedicated workspace and a briefing document. Claude Projects lets you create custom workspaces with up to 200,000 tokens of context. That's the equivalent of a 500-page book. You can upload documents, set custom instructions, and every conversation in that project remembers what you've told it. You'll find projects on the left-hand sidebar of Claude.ai, but heads up, this feature requires a pro or a team subscription. ChatGPT's custom GPTs work similarly. You build a personalized version of ChatGPT with specific instructions, upload knowledge files, and even custom capabilities. Create one for your marketing needs, another one for coding, another one for content strategy, each one tailored to its exact purpose. Click Explore GPTs on the left sidebar, then hit Create to build your own. Like Claude, you'll need a paid plan, Plus, Team, or Enterprise. Google Gems are Gemini's take on this. You create custom AI experts with detailed instructions and context files. Want a running coach who knows your training schedule? A writing editor who follows your brand guidelines? Build a gem for it. Look for Gem Manager on the left side of gemini.google.com. Like the other AIs, you'll need Gemini Advanced Business or Enterprise Edition to create these custom gems. And last, Grok's workspaces round out the lineup. XAI launched these in April of 2025, letting you group related chats, files, and custom instructions under a single topic. Grok also has a memory feature that remembers your preferences across conversations, totally transparent and user-controlled. These features are available on Grok.com and their mobile apps. The common thread here, all 4 let you front-load context, so you're not starting from scratch every single time. And yes, most of these are premium features. But if you're serious about AI productivity, they're worth every penny. Now, does this actually work, or is this just a productivity placebo? A study published in the Proceedings of the 2024 CHI Conference on Human Factors in Computing Systems titled, Putting Things into Context. Generative AI-enabled context personalization for vocabulary learning improves learning motivation, examined exactly this question. Researchers from MIT found that when AI systems are given personalized context around learners, motivation significantly increased compared to generic AI interactions. The personalized AI understood individual learning preferences and adapted accordingly. Exactly what happens when you give Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, or Grok proper context through these features. Here's 5 ways to start using context features today. First, create a project or GPT for your most repetitive task. If you're constantly asking for email drafts in your company's voice, build one that knows your brand guidelines, tone, and key messaging. You'll never re-explain your style again. Second, upload your reference materials. Working on a big project? Dump your research papers, meeting notes, style guides, and specs into the context workspace. Now, every question you ask is answered with your specific information, not generic advice. Third, set clear instructions about how you want the AI to behave. Prefer bullet points over paragraphs? Want technical jargon or plain English? Like puns or hate them, write it once in your custom instructions and it sticks. Fourth, build different contexts for different roles. Don't muddy the waters. Create a separate project or GPT for your marketing work, your technical writing, your data analysis. Each one becomes an expert in its own domain with all the context to reach back to. Fifth, iterate and improve. These aren't set it and forget it. As you use them, you'll notice what's working and what's not. Update your instructions, add more documents, refine the prompts, make it smarter over time. The difference between using AI with and without context is a difference between hiring a temp and hiring a full-time team member. One shows up knowing nothing every day. The other actually knows your business, your preferences, and your goals. So stop treating your AI like a goldfish with a 3-second memory. Give it context. Your future self and your productivity will thank you. Your move. Hey, real quick before you go, please remember to hit follow on your podcast player. You won't miss any episodes, and it helps support us bring you the show daily. Thanks for listening. We'll talk tomorrow.